children, today's homework is you are going to learn the second stanza. Okay. And as usual, I'll be checking out the homework at the last 5 minutes of the session. Okay. So don't talk about homework now. Yes, it's 11:01 already. We shall begin. Okay. Before that, I just wanted to share the poem once for your reference. Okay, let me share the book because we are going to learn the poem today. Very low, Papa. Okay. Is it clear now, children? I mean,
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear,
yes,
ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So this is the song we are learning. Okay. Sir, can you please make me the host for a while, sir? I just wanted to make
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Let me read the poem once, then I will call out few names. So that person have to, what to say, turn on your audio and read the poem for me. Okay. Is that clear, da? Is that clear? Okay. So let me, yes. Don't raise your hands now. Don't raise it now. Don't raise it now. Okay. The arrow and the song. Listen to the poem very carefully, da. Let me zoom in it, zoom the poem in for you. Okay, so the poem has only 3 stanzas. I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow in its flight. Second stanza, I breathed a song into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For who has the sight so keen and strong that it can follow the flight of song? Long, long afterward in an oak, I found the arrow still unbroke, and the song from beginning to end I found again in the heart of a friend. Okay. So this is the poem. I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight. Okay. So children, I'm going to ask all of you, listen carefully. Who is ready? Okay. Who is ready to say the poem? Without seeing the book or screen. You are going to turn on your video and audio so that you can read. So now tell me, you can say it to the class. Who is ready? Yes, first stanza alone. First stanza only. How many of you are ready to say the stanza without seeing the book, without seeing? Yes, okay. Shivesh, please. Sorry.
Ma'am, I unmute, ma'am.
Yes, da. Can you say the poem now, Shivesh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight.
Very good, Shivesh. Very good, huh? Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Who is ready then? Alan, are you ready? Alan, can you turn on your video and say the poem, Alan?
Mummy.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, Alan, please say the poem, Alan.
I shot an arrow into the air. It flew on earth, I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow in its flight.
Very good, Alan. Just 1 or 2 words wrong in the third and fourth line. Very good. Naufal Ahmed, can you please turn? Very good, Alan. Very good. Yes, Naufal Ahmed, can you turn on your video? Naufal,
Ma'am,
yes, say the poem.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight.
Very good, Naufal. Kirtivasan, can you please turn on your video, Kirtivasan? Kirtivasan, show me your face, Kirtivasan. Yeah. Say the poem. You have to unmute yourself, Kirtivasan.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell
Turn on the
to
video,
the
da. Kirtivasan, please turn on the video.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to the earth. I knew not where. For swiftly it flew. The sight I could not follow in the flight.
In its flight. Very good, Kirtivasan. Bavitraj, is it Bavitraj? Very good, Kirtivasan. Yes, Shivesh, Alan, Kirtivasan, very good. Bavitraj, Naufal Ahmed, very good. Bavitraj, can you please turn on your video? Bavitraj, are you there?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Can you please turn on your video, Bavitraj?
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on the video. Yes, say the poem.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight.
Very good, Bavitraj. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Yes, Harish Kumaran.
Yes, ma'am.
Say the poem.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew that sight could not follow it in its flight.
Very good, Harish Kumaran. Bhavadarini, please turn on the video, Bhavadarini.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to the earth, I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow the flight.
Could not follow it in its flight. Very good, Bhavadarini. Nitish, please turn on the video, Nitish. Yes, Nitish. Say the poem, first answer.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth in I know not where. For so 50 it fell the right could not follow in the sight.
1 or 2 words wrong in the last line. Okay, could not follow it in its flight. Yes, Nitish. Thank you.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Next time, try to maintain an eye contact with everybody. Okay, instead of looking down, instead of looking upwards, try to look at the camera and say, okay, so that you can maintain an eye contact with your friends. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I finished the homework, ma'am.
Very good. Madhuvanti, please turn on the video. Yes, Naveen Aditya, I'll give you a chance. Wait for your turn. Madhuvanti, turn on the audio. Da. Unmute yourselves. Madhuvanti, say the poem.
I
Madhuvanti.
shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. 50.
It flew
The slide. Could not
follow in
its slide.
Very good, Madhuvanti. But next time you are going to
Yeah,
say it
you
all
will.
alone without any help. Okay. Very good. It's a good try. But next time you are going to say the poem all by yourselves without any help. Very good. Very good. Okay, children. Next one. Devaguru. Sorry, Navin Aditya is waiting for a long time. Navin Aditya, can you please turn on the video? Navin Aditya, next to Navin Aditya, Devaguru can say the poem. Navin Aditya, are you there? Can you please turn on the video and say the poem? Navin Aditya, show me the face. Yes, Navin. What are you doing, Navin? Navin, are you there, Navin? What happened? Say the poem, da. Maintain an eye contact with the students. Look at the camera and speak. Nitish, turn off the video. Priyadashni, turn off the video. Only when I say your name, please. Unmute yourselves, Navin Aditya. Speak louder.
I shot an arrow.
Ah.
Into the air. It flew. It fell
And he is
to
not
earth.
speaking, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Navin Aditya, are you? Okay, prepare. Take your own time. Prepare for the poem thoroughly and then say. Instead of saying the poem and saying it, okay, it is of no use. Those who knew the poem by heart can say. Those who knew the poem. Madhuvanti, turn off the video. Madhuvanti, turn off the video.
ma'am,
I will ask for the homework later.
tell.
Navin Aditya, are you there? Can you say the poem now confidently? Look at me. Look at the camera. Look at the camera and say the poem. Yes.
Shot an arrow into the earth. It fell
Ah.
into it. I knew not where. So swiftly it flew the side. Could not follow
Ah.
it in its flight.
Excellent, Navin Aditya. Very good. Very good. Very good, Kanna. Yes. Devaguru. Devaguru. Devaguru,
Ma'am,
please turn on the video.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to the earth, I know not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow in its flight.
Okay, good. But next time, look at the camera confidently and say, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Akash Jan, Sai Raghav, get ready. Siddheshwar, get ready. Darshini, get ready. Akash Jan.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to the earth. I know not to where. For so swiftly. Uh,
For so swiftly.
for so swiftly it flew. The sight could not follow. It is in flight.
Thank you, Akash Jan. But prepare thoroughly next time. Okay, good. Okay, that's why that's okay, Navin. But you said the poem very clearly. Very good. Darshini, please turn on the video, Darshini. Say the poem properly. Yes, Darshini. Look at the camera. Maintain an eye contact. Yes. Say the poem now. Unmute yourselves.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, now I can say, ma'am.
Yes.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to the earth. I knew that not where. For so swiftly it flew the side, could not follow in its flight.
Okay. Good. Good. Sai Raghav, did you say the poem? Siddheshwar, get ready. Please turn on the video. Siddheshwar. Sai Raghav. After Sai Raghav, Siddheshwar can say. Siddheshwar, now turn off the video. Sai Raghav, please. Unmute yourself, Sai Raghav. Yes, say the poem.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew the sight. I couldn't follow. It's on its flight.
I could not follow it in its flight. Look at the camera and say the poem.
Ma'am?
Look at the camera and say the poem. Say the poem.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew the sight. Could not follow. It's in its flight.
Very good, Sarah. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent. Siddheshwar. Unmute yourself, Siddheshwar.
I shot an arrow into the air. It flew to earth. I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew the sight, could not follow it in its flight.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Who is ready now? Priyadashni. Can you please turn on the video? Cynthia Shri is waiting for a very long time. Wait. Let's give chance for Cynthia Shri now. Cynthia Shri.
Ma'am,
Yes, say the poem.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew on sight. I could not follow it in this flight.
Very good, Cynthia Shri. Timin Taran, turn on the video. Very good, Cynthia. Excellent. Timin Taran.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I shoot
Adjust
an
the camera
arrow into the.
Have a good look. Where's Timin Taran? Adjust the camera so that we can have a good look of your face. Yes.
I shoot an. 1 minute, ma'am. I shoot an arrow into the air.
I shot
I
an
shoot an
arrow.
arrow into the air.
Shot.
I fell into the earth. I knew not in the fair. So swiftly in the sight. Could not follow in its flight.
Could not follow it in its flight. Okay. Very good, Timin
Yes, ma'am.
Taran. Yes. Okay. Who else is ready? Cynthia Shri, put your hands down. Siddheshwar, put your hands down. Timin Taran. Priyadashni, please turn on the video, Priyadashni. Who else is ready? Please let me know. Priyadashni, yes. Look at the camera.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight.
Very good. Very good. So excellent, children. Yes. Almost Avardhana. Adjust the lighting, da. We could not see your face at all. Okay, no issues. Say the poem now.
I shot an arrow in the air. It fell to the earth. I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew the sight. It could not follow in its flight.
Okay, Avardhana, but next time adjust the background settings and look at the camera. Try to look at the camera and say the poem, okay? Next time. Yes, Preetika can turn on your video. Preetika, please switch on your video and say the poem, Preetika. Yes, Preetika. Unmute yourselves.
I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. So swiftly it flew the sight. Could not follow it in its flight.
Okay, very good. Very good, children. Excellent, everyone. So let us appreciate ourselves. Let's raise all our hands in a way to appreciate all those students who have told the poem now. Okay, let us raise our hands now. Let's raise our hands to appreciate all the children for their, because they told the poem very clearly. Okay, let's raise our hands, everyone. Let's appreciate one another. Okay. So in that way, I could happen to know that you did your homework very well. So I'm so happy about it. So the first stanza is very much clear, right? So in this same way, we are going to learn the second stanza and the third stanza as well. Okay. So the second stanza will be today's homework and third stanza will be tomorrow's homework. Okay. So I'll be checking it, not today. Okay. So children, since I have listened to all your poems, I happen to know that you did your homework, but tomorrow for sure I'll be checking both the stanzas. Okay, you have to write. First stanza you would have written it today, right? So second stanza tomorrow you are going to show me, you are going to turn on the video and show me both the stanzas. It should be written in your homework notebook or rough notebook very clearly. Is that okay? Is that okay for everyone? So tomorrow I'll be checking out both the stanzas which were written in your notebook in a neat handwriting. So I will be very much checking for the handwriting, every one of you. So I'll be checking the handwriting part too. So please concentrate and let me tell you where you went wrong while saying the poem. Of course, poem recitation. Okay, after completing the portion, let me show you some videos about poetry recitation, because when you move to higher classes, when everything gets back to normal, you will be knowing that poetry recitation is an important event in almost all the cultural programs and competitions. Okay, so poetry recitation, we should be knowing how to say the poem, how to present our poem to the audience. Okay, so you should be knowing where to stop, how to increase, okay, where to increase the tone, where to give a pass and everything. So saying a poem, it is like you should not say the poem just like you are mugging up and saying it to the audience. No, it's highly wrong. Okay, just like the speech, even poetry recitation should follow certain rules. Okay, let me show you some videos and let me teach you the rules, so that when you come to higher classes like grade 9 and grade 10, you will come to know about various competitions about poetry recitation and you will win prizes for sure. Okay, and the common mistake I have observed in almost all of you is you are clubbing the last word of the third line, that is the side. Okay, along with the fourth line. While writing, children, while writing the word side, the side should be written in the third line. But while pronouncing, while saying it, okay, while saying, you should say just like this. Okay, let me share the poem once so that you get to know very clearly. Children, wait for a while. Please listen to me carefully, so that you will be knowing where to stop, where to give a pass. Ishwar Raja tomorrow for sure. Ishwar Raja tomorrow for sure. Okay, look at that. I shot an arrow. Nihal Ahmed tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll give you chance. Okay, I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth. I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew. Most of you forgot this word, it flew. For so swiftly it flew. Okay, that should be a pass. That should be a pass after the word flew. For so swiftly it flew, the sight could not follow it in its flight. Okay, you should pronounce the word sight, the sight, along with the fourth line. Is that clear, da? I repeat, I shot an arrow into the air. It fell to earth, I knew not where. For so swiftly it flew. Okay, it flew. Most of you had pronounced it like it flew the side, it flew the side. It's wrong. Okay, for so swiftly it flew. There should be a break, there should be a pass. And then you should say the sight could not follow it in its flight. Okay, the sight could not follow it in its flight. In that way, you have to pronounce it. Okay, only for first stanza we had this break. From second stanza onwards, you can read you can say the line wise. Okay, so the pass is based on line wise. Only for the first stanza there is a exemption. Is that okay, da? Okay. Children, listen. We have to discuss this one, mind map. Okay, before mind map, my word bank. Okay, we have to complete this exercise from the lesson. I forgot to finish it off. Add a suitable suffix to form new words. It is in page 12, book back of after 20 years. Okay, we are going to add prefix, suffix. Suffix means we are going to add in the beginning or at the end. Suffix means we are going to add letters in the beginning or at the end. Very good, Navin Aditya. Very good, Bhavadharani. Very good, Navin Aditya. At the end. Okay, so we are going to add letters. Okay, add a few letters at the end to make it into a new word. So impressive, Navin Aditya had given answer already. Impressive becomes impressiveness. Impressive becomes impressiveness or impressively. Okay, you can even write impressively. Impressiveness, impressively you can write impressively. The more than impressiveness, you can write impressively. Yes. Habit, habitual. Very good, habitual. 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 Are you all writing it down? Because once we receive the textbook, we are going to copy all these answers in our textbook, right? So please take your notebook and write the answers. First one is impressively, impressiveness. Both are correct. Staunch means following something very firmly. Like you can say, Gandhiji is a staunch believer of non-violence. Staunch means following something very firmly. Though you may come across several hurdles, if you follow it still, then it is staunch. Staunch is positive word, and there is a similar word to it, but it takes a negative term like adamant. Staunch is positive word. Yes. Staunchly. Can we have a word like staunchly? Is it staunchly or staunchness? Staunchness. Okay, staunchness would be more appropriate. Staunchness. Staunchly okay, but more appropriately staunchness. Staunchness. Fourth one, compete. Competition. Okay, competition. Check the spelling for petition. Competition. Competed is verb. Okay, you can't add simply compete, competed are one and the same. Present tense, past tense. Competed is not the answer. It's wrong. If you write competed, it's wrong. Competition or competitor or competition. Avardhana, staunchness will be more appropriate. Avardhana. Competitor or competition. Fourth one. Fifth one, sharp. Sharply. You can write sharply, sharpness. Okay, sharpness or sharply. And sixth one, politely. Sixth one, politely or politeness. Okay, fine. Both are correct. Politely or politeness. Is that clear? This is suffix. Thank you, Pritika. Thank you. You can check your answers with Pritika's da. Very good. Thank you, Pritika. Yes, children, we stop. And remember your homework for today. You are going to learn and write second stanza once. Just like today, I'll be asking any 5 of you, okay, any 5 from the list, I'll be calling out. I won't be asking the volunteers to say the poem. I'll be calling out you by your names and ask you to turn on your video and say the poem. So everyone should get ready. Is that clear, da? And I want everyone, of course, I will check homework from everyone. Everyone should turn on your video and show me the homework notebook. You are going to write second stanza today. That means you have completed first stanza already. That should also be written in your notebook very neatly. Okay. And while writing, don't forget, almost all of you, not even one student from your class didn't say the title and the poet name. I'm little disappointed about that. But tomorrow, whenever you say the poem, please include the title and the poet's name. Is that okay? Thank you, children. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.